Hey home cooks, ready to whip up a delicious and healthy meal that can help you lose that stubborn belly fat? Like we said, over the next 3 days, we will provide you with 3 healthy recipes to lose that belly fat. Today, we're making a turmeric rice bowl with garam masala root vegetables and chickpeas. Trust me, this bowl is as tasty as it sounds. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, turmeric. This golden spice is packed with anti-inflammatory properties and can boost your metabolism. Perfect for shedding those extra pounds. Now, on to the recipe. Start by cooking 1 cup of brown rice. Brown rice is a great source of fiber and will keep you feeling full longer. While the rice is cooking, grab a bunch of root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and parsnips. Dice them up and toss them in a mix of olive oil, garam masala, salt, and pepper. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. While those veggies are roasting, let's prep our chickpeas. Drain and rinse a can of chickpeas, then saute them with a bit of olive oil and a teaspoon of turmeric. Let them cook until they're crispy and golden. All right, time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine the cooked brown rice, roasted root veggies, and crispy chickpeas. Add a handful of fresh spinach for some extra greens and a squeeze of lemon juice for that zesty kick. And there you have it, folks. A scrumptious turmeric rice bowl that's not only bursting with flavor, but also great for helping you lose belly fat. Enjoy this healthy, hearty meal and feel good about every bite you take. Follow @TheDailyDoseForu. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious and healthy recipes. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m. for another healthy snack.